And yes, they say in youth we learn, in age we understand. And truly, elders are the pillars of our families, the keepers of tradition, the glue that binds generations together. The International Day of Older Persons is observed on October 1st each year. It's a day dedicated to raising awareness about issues affecting older people and celebrating their contributions to society. It's an opportunity to promote the well-being and the rights of elderly individuals globally. This is not just a date on the calendar, but it is a reminder, a testament to the immeasurable value that they bring to our lives. So what can we learn from the older generations? Some of the precious things we can learn are the enduring power of hard work, the warmth of close-knit families and communities, the resilience to conquer adversity, and the grace to cherish both our roots and the environment. They teach us patience, resourcefulness, and the importance of genuine relationships, while reminding us to embrace change and prioritize our well-being. These lessons, etched in time, a heartfelt guide to a meaningful and balanced life. Their wisdom is not confined to books or classrooms. It is an amalgamation of lived experiences, a repository of life lessons waiting to be shared. Our elders have witnessed the ebb and flow of history, and their stories are threads that connect us to our past. Through their tales, we gain insight into trials and triumphs of generations before us, offering us a clearer perspective on our own journeys. So how can we honor our elders? We can honor them by offering a heartfelt love and respect. And we can do this by listening to their stories, helping them when needed, and celebrating their milestones. We should include them in family moments and decisions, keep them cherished and connected, support their interest, and ensure their comforts are gestures of care. So let's always be patient and understanding in our interactions. Show them the love they deserve. What else can we do in the long run? We can make a collective effort to create a society where their wisdom is sought, their experiences are valued, and their joy is contagious. So let us ensure that they live their golden years with dignity, respect, and the care they deserve. Today, let us reach out to an older person, listen to their stories, seek their counsel, and share in their joy. And one author puts it beautifully when he says, "In their laughter, a fountain of youth, their stories, a testament to truth. The older generation, a shining light, guiding us through both day and night."